What's good, y'all? It's Fresco BK, and yes, I'm still home, but our flagship store in Manhattan, New York City is back open. So please pull up to 47 Howard Street to Stadium Goods. We are back up and running. But today we're taking a special unboxing look at the Nike SB Grateful Dead pack. I know you guys know what that looks like, but we're gonna break it down today. So say less with all this talking. Let's get straight to these shoes. In 2020, the Dunk has resurged like nothing we've seen before. Both SB and non-SB categories have been flourishing, and Nike's found their way back into the hearts of sneaker lovers globally. With huge momentum flowing into closeout 2019 with the release of the Off-White Dunk Low pack, we've seen in 2020 multiple releases such as the Travis Scott, Ben & Jerry's, and even the rebirth and the remix of the original Nike Dunk Be True to Your School pack. So Nike SB once again, with a huge storytelling factor, partner up with the Grateful Dead to bring you the Nike SB Grateful Dead pack, which consists of 3 shoes. The Nike SB Dunk Low in yellow, also in green, and in orange, but the orange one is the most limited because it's only set to release at the FTC Skate Shop in the hometown of the Grateful Dead in Northern California. The Grateful Dead is an iconic rock and roll band whose home base is one of my favorite areas in the world, which is California's Bay Area. Shouts out to the Gay Area, which is in the northern region of California. So their roots stem back all the way to 1965, which is before me and most of you were born, but they were also inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 1994. Multiple members of the group have deceased since their inception, but their effect on the world has been everlasting, and that's commemorated right here with this Nike SB pack. So I'm going to start with my favorite color, which you guys should know by now, is green. So the green SB Dunk Low. So here we have the box top, and please let me know what you guys think of these in the comments. I actually like the multicolored box top. And here we have the green SB Dunk Low Grateful Dead. Similar detailing throughout each colorway, but the main difference is the colorway. So we start off with the green. Green is my favorite color. So we have the faux hair that you'll see running throughout the entire upper. We have the faux hair in the toe area. We have it just above and below the swoosh on the outer panel. We have it just below the Nike logo on the back panel, and also the same detailing on the inner panel. As we get to the tongue area, you'll see that Dancing Bear logo, which is classic to the Grateful Dead, but we'll get to that in a minute. And you'll see the frayed collar on that Dancing Bear. That frayed collar is made to represent the frayed swoosh that's right on that outer panel. And as we get to the back panel, once again, you'll see the stitch detailing of the Nike and that faux fur. We have suede detailing also that runs throughout the entire upper that combines with the faux fur, so it's actually a good contrasting look. Now the contrast between blue and green. So we have the green right there in the middle, and we have the royal blue that runs throughout the entire outsole. So I'm gonna give you guys one last look at the green colorway in the Grateful Dead Nike SB pack, and we're gonna switch right over into the yellow. Here we have the yellow colorway in the Nike SB Grateful Dead Dunk Low pack. So very similar to the green, but the yellow just jumps at you. So these are definitely giving me Big Bird vibes, and the green colorway gives me Oscar the Grouch vibes. Maybe I'm just a fan of Sesame Street, but you'll see the yellow faux hair that runs throughout the entire upper. We have the yellow laces with the strike red and blue and white detailing on the tips. We have the frayed swoosh, which is a slightly lighter blue than the darker blue of the green. So here we go, right back to the tongue area. We have the Dancing Bear once again. And the coolest detail about the tongue is the stash pocket. So I'll unzip that for you. You guys can see there's a stash pocket right on the tongue of all 3 colorways, and much like the stash pocket that is featured on the 2010 Skunk Dunk. And what I keep in my stash pocket, hand sanitizer. Can never be too clean, and y'all just make sure y'all staying safe and healthy. But I'm gonna put my hand sanitizer right back in there. And another cool detail, and one of the coolest, is featured on the insole, and it features the Dancing Bears logo. So this adorable Dancing Bears logo that you see on the insole is featured on the back of the 1973 LP, The History of the Grateful Dead, Bear's Choice. And Bear is also known as Owsley Stanley, and he is the sound engineer of the Grateful Dead. So this is to pay a tribute to Bear. Jump in the comments and let me know what you think of the Nike SB Grateful Dead Dunk Low pack. This shoe released in 3 colorways: the green, the yellow, and also the orange. The orange being the most limited because it is only set to release in their hometown skate shop, FTC, but I'm sure we'll have that soon enough at Stadium Goods. And just so you guys know, Stadium Goods is back up and running on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area in NYC. So please feel free to pull up and stay tuned for more details on our upcoming grand opening of our Chicago store coming in the next few months. So until then, make sure you guys visit stadiumgoods.com. Make sure you follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And last but not least, download the Stadium Goods app available on iOS and on Android, because we update the app daily with sneakers, apparel, and accessories, all from Stadium Goods, including this Stadium Goods bandana. So, I am Fresco BK, got my mask on. Salud.